We are supposed to sketch a function that meets these conditions. So the function has no maximum or minimum, but 2 and 4 are critical numbers. So let's go ahead and make a function. No local maximum or minimum, but 2 and 4 are critical numbers. So the function can come along and have a saddle point at each of these values. And essentially the tangent is horizontal here, but there's no local maximum or minimum. Let's look at this next one. Sketch the graph of a function on the interval from -2 to 2 that has an absolute maximum, but no local maximum. So if we were looking on the interval from -1 to 2, I could just make something like this, because remember the way they defined a local maximum, you would need to be able to get an interval around, and so that doesn't apply to an endpoint. So there is no local maximum, but there is an absolute maximum at that endpoint. Looking at B, sketch the graph of a function on the closed interval from -1 to 2 that has a local maximum but no absolute maximum. So we could look on this interval from -1 to 2, and it has a local maximum but no absolute. So we could have it come something like this, and on this side something like this. So we could have a vertical asymptote somewhere here so that it heads towards infinity, but there could be a local maximum over here. Now, these aren't the only ways you could draw these. There are many correct answers. These are just some examples that would meet these conditions.